Okay. Back with another one, y'all. Y'all gotta be careful, man. Make sure that y'all paying attention to who y'all got coming to your house, because this one gotta make sure you watch who coming to your house. So let's get to it, y'all.
Newcastle resident Arthur Jones nearly fell victim to a home invasion just before 4 a.m. Thursday morning.
I was just there holding my door, and where they couldn't be able to get in, but I had to hold my door with force to keep from them trying to break in my house.
You can still see that damage left behind, including chips in the front door paint. When you open the door and try to come inside, you could see cracks in the door frame from where the suspects tried to kick the door in. Some nails are in place as a temporary fix.
Well, yeah, she had brought her one of her friends with her, and I said we're just hanging out watching TV videos. And
Jones and his kids were all at their home on Northwest 5th Street. He tells me he invited a woman to celebrate the holiday with him. She brought a +1 and an entourage, waiting for the perfect time to strike.
Damn, he brought the hose to the house with the kids there, and almost
going
got
back
himself.
and forth in and out my door.
Look at
and
him.
I was figuring something wasn't right, so I got a ringtone, a ring camera, and they were being on the camera plotting and setting up to be able to break in my door with the entourage she had with her.
Around 3:40 a.m., that entourage tried to kick the door in.
Damn.
Police say when they arrived, the 4 male burglars were gone. The 2 females were arrested.
So we are asking the public's assistance in identifying them. Some of the subjects were armed. Use caution, not approach them, and call 911 or the Newcastle Police Department.
Meantime, Jones warns the community to be more responsible about who you invite into your house.
I felt a little violated. It wasn't why I would wish this on anybody. Every dog has his day. Their day is coming for terrorizing me and my family.
Reporting in Newcastle, Olivia Hickey, KOCO 5 News.
Yeah, y'all. You better be careful of entertaining people, especially men entertaining women, especially older men entertaining young women. Look at Big Boy, and just being straight up. And then I seen Shorty that was just went through the door and what she had on and all of that. Like, come on now. They was not watching no Netflix and there's none of that. Yeah, he had them for company, so, of course, but it wasn't for Netflix company. That's why he mad. He probably paid him. Now, if that come out that he was paying these chicks, then that's even double jeopardy on this man, because now, damn, police could probably come get you because you was buying yams, being hungry, you know what I'm saying? But she set homeboy up with 2-3 dudes, and then how you not know there's a ring camera right there? So none of y'all noticed that there's a ring camera sitting on the door? Yo, y'all got to be y'all criminals are the dumbest fucking criminals in the world. Y'all just do stuff just to do it, y'all don't do nothing to get away with it. Y'all do it to get caught. That's the difference between this generation. They do stupid shit and they do it to get caught and not get away. Like but they think mask and all of these different things is anything. Because I bet money both little shorties that got arrested are going to snitch. You better believe it. It ain't gonna take that long. The girls ain't gonna want to sit there that long. One of them is going to say something for a fact, and I hope they do. Because I promise you, they wouldn't be there if they didn't think some money was in there. And them girls made them think that he got some money somewhere. And he probably showed them that he got some money somewhere. Look at Big Boy. He's it's not like he's the most attractive guy in the world. You get what I'm saying? Like he's So I don't know, y'all. Y'all be careful out here, man. It's the tick and the blicker right here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You already know it's your boy Urben Currse. Be careful out there, because I'm making sure I'm careful. I keep mine next to me at all times. If not one, but two. If not two, but three. Don't come next to me, because your ass gon'